Hi, I'm Grajna Cumming, Marketing Manager with Realstone Systems. Today, I'm excited to share with you guys our brand new visualizer. This is actually our third visualizer. We initially launched our first one in 2013. So we know a lot about these visualizers and we think this is the best one yet. And I'm excited to share the features with you. So first, let's get started by showing you where you can find our visualizer. Here you can see our website homepage. You can access the visualizer directly from the banner by clicking Try It Now. Another place you can access it is right from our Inspiration tab, right here where it says Learn More. And then finally, you can access the visualizer directly from our products page by going to Products and selecting the product of your choice. I am going to start with Pewter Honed. So I pull up the product and you can see up here that we have the See It in My Room button on the very top. We also have a See It in 3D, which is another feature for another tutorial. So we click on that button and we are pulled into the visualizer. You can see at the top here, we have the upload your own option with an image I have already uploaded, as well as preloaded images for a quick visualizer if you just want to do something at a glance. So let's start with the preloaded images, which behave exactly the same way as the upload your own. You can see in the space there are 4 areas that have been selected for product placement. We have floors down below, we have the fireplace, and then we have 2 additional walls. Each one of these has a check mark, which means it's selected with the product. Because I started with the pewter page, this is the product that's already loaded here. So let's go ahead and try some of the tools we have here. I'm going to deselect the fireplace and remove the product on these additional walls. I can do that by going to the top navigation and clicking Remove Product. This is how you'll clear out the products so you can move on to something else. So we will unclick this and we will select the fireplace. To try different products is as simple as clicking on the ones of your choice in this left navigation menu. There are a lot of products in our catalog for walls, so you have a few different options in how to view them. You can either view it in this vertical column, or you can click this little square and it will put it in 3 rows so you see more at a glance. You can also add a favorites button by clicking this heart, and it will save your favorite products to review later. You can also use the filtering tool, which allows you to select products based on your criteria. Finally, there's the search tool. You click on the magnifying glass, type in your search term, and it will give you the results. You can also see that because we have a vertical surface, fireplace in this instance, it only allows us to have the wall catalog pulled up. If I were to navigate to flooring, it would automatically select the floors catalog. Okay, let's work through some of the other really cool tools in here. So one of the things that we can do is play around with different grouts. I've added a tile product onto the fireplace, which by default has no grout, a dry stacked look. But we can change that by going to the navigation menu on top, clicking Change Grout, and it will give us this pop-up. I'm going to select Thick Grout, and I'm going to select a white or pale gray grout. Click Apply, and you can see we now have a grout of our choice. Another feature that's really great is you can compare 2 different products. To do that, I click the Compare button, and you can see the image is now split in half with a slider that's movable, so I can see any of the portion of my image. By default, the right side is selected, but I would like to try a different stone on the left. So I click the left button, And it's as simple as selecting a product from my catalog. So now I have two products side by side. If I would like to share this image, I go to the navigation menu on the right, and I can share this via email, I can copy a link, I can share it on Facebook, or I can download it. I can also share it via WhatsApp. So those are the options. Another option is to rotate the product. Perhaps I'd like to see this product vertically. I click the Rotate Surface button, and my surface is now vertical. So I've decided, based on all of this manipulation, that I would like a sample of this product. I click on the button for Request a Sample, and I get this little menu here. Click Order a Sample, and you're taken directly to our website where you can order a sample. Okay, let's get back to our visualizer. Another option here is to request a quote, which would send us a notification, and we will get back to you with that. Let's play around with the flooring. So here we have a flooring button, and you can see our menu has switched over to floors, and these are the products we have available. I'll click through here, and our floor is now a mosaic of my choice. The other tool that we have is the Upload Your Own function. To change the room, we click the Change Room button, and here we have the opportunity to upload our own image. To do that, you click Upload, select your image, click Open, and there it is. The areas in the image that are tileable have already been selected. All you have to do is click on the one of your choice and select your product. The system automatically knows if it's a floor or a wall and will serve you the appropriate catalog. And now you have the opportunity to try all of the other tools that we have already looked at. And that's it. Hope you like the visualizer. Give it a shot. Let us know what you think. And if you need any help, please reach out to us at marketing@realstone.com or your regional sales rep.